Wow. You know, when I saw Bebon as a kid, I think it's 2, 3 years old. And now so big. I'm surprised. And when I met him at the airport, I was so happy. It reminds me of his mom. And, you know, medyo emotional konti. But I'm happy so much. And that's all I can say.
What does family mean to you?
Family is first. Everything is second, but family is first to me. Nothing comes close to family. They are the ones. They are my family.
Like, how does it feel to be an uncle?
Okay.
Sa kanila, di parang ano maging ano.
Okay.
Sa tito, sa mga pamangkin.
Okay. As an uncle to my to all my pamangkins, it's great, really, because that's the extension of my sister's. I love them. I feel blessed to be an uncle to my pamangkins. There are the kids of my sister, and I love them as much as I love my daughter and son. They are my family. I love them. I love them so much, and I feel so blessed and happy, really. Okay.
What is one thing you learned from my mom?
Many things. She always say to me na magdasal ka, take care of your health. Almost everything, you know. She takes care of me. She send medicines, prayers para sa health ko, sa family, everything. She's great. She's the best. She's the best.
Nice. What is something you're most proud of?
Of who?
Of anything.
Having a sister like Annie, and I'm getting emotional.
Oh, yeah.
I miss her so much. I miss my sister so much.
Okay.
She reminds me, Bebon.
What do you think my mom would say to you about today, about this whole trip?
Maybe she will tell me, thank you for taking care during the vacation of my son. And she will tell me, I love you so much, my brother.
my mom like as a kid?
Her mom, she's great. Annie is so great. She has lots of friends. She's nice, very caring, and people love her here. The whole people in our street. She's famous because she's a good dentist, really a good dentist. She is loved by everyone here.
What's a memory of her that makes you smile when you were younger?
I remember pag nag-aaway kami, yung biruan ba, yung magbubusan kami ng toyo at patis, ganyan. Minsan kakarga ko siya sa likod ko. Ang tawag ba dito? Tapos I remember also yung nag-uusap kami sa kwarto, dalawa lang kami, talking about the old things na kasama kami nung bata. Yon, makes me smile every time I remember that. And yeah.
Something about being an uncle, or just more about you. Since I know, like, first time meeting you, it feels like I've already known you for years.
Okay.
But like, I guess what makes you confident?
Well, it comes from my father and mom also. But you know, my father is quiet, but he jokes very, very simple, but it's so funny. And also my mom. And also I'm pogi because I have the blood of Valerio. Yeah, since day one, and until now, I'm still pogi, and forever I will be pogi. That's really.
Why is it important to be confident, to be,
Well, that's natural. I can help it. I'm really pogi. I cannot help it. You know.
Yeah.
That's me. That's me. My son is pogi also. Good looking, but I'm better. I'm better looking than him. That's his mom said that I'm better looking.
Cool boy! Pakilala mo yung kasama mo. Isa mo. Kailan ba, boy? Boy, kailan?
Para nga.
Hindi, kailan ang gaming?
I need to be confident because I have to responsible and take care of my pamangkins because their mom is gone. I have to take the place, her place. I promise myself that I will take care my pamangkins. I could consider them as my kids already. They are now my family. And their dad is now my brother. He's my brother. I have to be confident because I have to. I'm their uncle. Kailangan kong maging confident lagi. That's my family. They are my family. They'll be the first in everything I do.
Taking this for you, 'cause I wanna feel like I'm supposed to. I think this
First, I would like to thank the friends of Annie. Siyempre, si Verly for taking care of my sister, my pamangkins. Thank you so much for loving my sister. Hanggang sa huli siya magpunta sa heaven, andyan kayo. At minahal niyo yung kapatid ko. I'm so thankful sa lahat ng ginawa niyo sa kapatid ko. Do I hold this?
Yes.
Thank you so much. Thank you, Bebon. Thank you, Jason. Jael.